Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install your address plaque on your exterior stone wall. So this template should come with your address plaque. The first thing you want to do is to mark out your 4 screw holes. What I did is put on a cardboard, something more sturdy than this flimsy piece of paper. The size I have cut out is the exact dimension of my address plaque. Mount on my 4 screws. The next step, you want to measure where you want to put your address plaque. So mine's going to be roughly about right there. Drill out your 4 holes. This is a 3/16 tile bit. Okay, I have my 4 holes drilled out. Now I'm going to clean off the area. Now I'm going to put on the contact cement. After you put this cement on, you can insert this in the holes. I lined it up in my holes. Now I'm going to push the plate in. And there you have it. That's how you put on your address plaque.